Samsung is making the Galaxy S25 Ultra the most powerful phone ever. It will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which is as powerful as some desktop computers, with a speed of possibly 4 GHz. But this power needs a bigger battery. The new report says that phones with this Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip might need a battery with up to 6,000 mAh capacity. This is a big change from the 5,000 mAh battery that Samsung's Ultra flagship phones have had since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We might see a huge battery upgrade on the S25 Ultra. Before, the chips didn't need much power, so Samsung didn't increase the battery size. But with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, they have to give us a bigger battery to fully use its power. This change won't make the S25 Ultra bulky. Phones like the Honor Magic 6 Pro have a 5,600 mAh battery, yet they weigh the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung can use advanced battery tech like Sleek on Carbon that Honor uses on their phones to keep the S25 Ultra slim. Samsung can put a huge battery in the S25 Ultra without making it bigger. This also means we will probably see better battery performance than ever before on a Samsung flagship phone. But that's not all. The S25 series will surely bring the second generation of Galaxy AI, with some really powerful features. One of these could be Google's upcoming chat model, the Gemini Nano. This version is the lightest of the Gemini, which was made for tablets and PCs, now coming to phones in the form of Gemini Nano. It might actually debut on the Galaxy S25 series. This news is from the executive director of Samsung Electronics. During a presentation, he confirmed that the next version of the Gemini AI model is coming to the Galaxy S25 series. This pretty much confirms that the S25 series will be an even bigger AI powerhouse than the S24 lineup. And last but not least, Samsung has also officially revealed the industry's fastest LPDDR5 XRAM, optimized for AI applications for phones, laptops, and PCs. According to the official press release, this gives us 25% higher performance as well as 25% higher power efficiency with 30% more capacity. Samsung will start mass production in the second half of the year, which means that we could actually see this on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means all those AI tasks on the S25 series will happen extremely quickly. So, there you have it, that's all the latest news on what Samsung is cooking up for the year 2025. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to be a very special phone. There's potentially a big battery upgrade coming, thanks to the 8 Gen 4 incredibly high-performing specs. Hopefully, this will happen. I'll keep you guys updated with everything coming out in the world of Samsung news. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos, well as me signing off. Thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Just wanna make it last, try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something